Today is kind of a big day, or a bad day, I don't know. Going to my aunt's funeral. She's been super sick for a while, so, I mean, it really sucks. Haven't ridden, so my bike's all dirty. It's been super cold. It's actually cold today. I checked last night. It's supposed to be a high of 45. That's kind of been the warmest it's been in a while. And normally the cold doesn't bother me that much. But my jacket doesn't fit anymore. Just my hoodie. Look, a dog. Hi, dog. Okay. Classes keep fogging up. So yeah, I'm going to my aunt's funeral. I have to make a stop first because my boots are dirty from work. So we're gonna do that and then go to the funeral. Or whatever it is. I don't think it's an actual funeral. This is where I went and got my motorcycle license. I can't see past you, dude. I should have been over more. Just peek out and then go! Run away! We're gonna go right. Because I don't fucking know where I'm at! Oh, I could have done this. This is no big deal. I wanted to ride today. Just, I haven't. Have been riding, have been recording, and it kind of bothers me. I don't like not riding. It's one of those things that's become therapeutic, I guess. I mean, it's a lot more dangerous, obviously. It's cold, so that kind of sucks. But I don't know. There's a calm, I guess, for me. Even though you have to be alert 100%, you have to just be on everything. You gotta watch around you constantly. I guess this will be a super short video. Check on your people, the ones that disappear. Check on the ones that don't disappear. I am one of the ones that disappear. Just drop off the map for 3, 4, 5 months. Go do my own adventures, get stuck in my own head, get in the darkness. Whatever, just check on your people. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for finding it. Leave a comment, whatever. Yeah, thanks.